show for you.
1,300 feet below the surface.
Do kids' videos leave you feeling undernourished?
Shine your red light down a little bit. This red one will, this one, turn it down, tilt it. I'll show you. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good, Will. That looks pretty good. You want to see Jim go through it?
A big idea, we believe kids are a gift from God. Do kids' videos leave you feeling undernourished? Want to get a little more moral fiber into your entertainment diet?
So what are you doing, honey?
Series for the whole family, with first-rate animation and a wacky sense of humor. I laughed, I cried. Meet Bob. Meet Bob the Tomato, your vine-ripened host, and his cool but clumsy co-host, Larry the Cucumber. Together with Junior Asparagus, Frank and Celery, and a whole harvest of lovable pals, they're bringing a bumper crop of smiles from the produce aisle, along with the solid values your kids need.